Hi guys, I'm Young. So I hope you guys are having a really nice spring break or Easter break, wherever you guys are, because I think this is like long weekend. So actually the other day, because it's now getting really beautiful here, spring is up in the air, so I actually took my drone out. And yes, Mavic Air 2 is my favorite drone that I do own. So I went out to take some beautiful footage from the mountains here with like cherry blossom and all kinds of blossoms up in the mountain. And then there was a big problem with my Mavic Air 2. So what happened is the left and right roll in the joystick stopped working. It's not working. I'll show you here as well. So this part where it helps the drone to move sideways, it's just not working. But I've already contacted DJI Customer Service to see, what they can do like online to make it sort of a simple process to fix the problem. So first of all, I do have DJI Care. I think I bought it for 2 years because it's really helpful when anything goes wrong with my drone or devices of DJI, then it can cover it. Not all the countries have DJI Care, however, yes, I do have the option, so I went to buy DJI Care. So in the customer service, while I'm filing for the problem, there is an option where you can chat with the customer representative. So I went on to the messenger, and then basically within, I don't know, like 10 seconds, you are connected with a representative in DJI. So they recommended me first to do the RC calibration. So you can do it within the app. So you just basically turn off the drone but turn on the RC. So RC connected with the mobile phone, and inside the app, so you just go into the camera view, you can do the RC calibration in one of the menus, and it just basically checks whether RC is working properly. So when you do it a couple of times moving the joystick, I actually found out that all the joystick movements works totally fine. So I went out to fly my drone again and realized it doesn't work. Still the left and right roll does not work at all. So I went back on to the customer service to ask what is going on. So then they asked me, whether I've updated all the firmware and so on. I actually tried doing that in the app and there was a little bit of issue there. So they suggest me to go on, download the DJI Assistant. So I did that. I downloaded the DJI Assistant for Mavic and then basically just connect everything with a USB Type-C. And then turn the devices on, of course. So I first upgraded the RC firmware, and then later I upgraded the drone as well as other batteries for the drone as well. So make sure that the drone and the battery is turned on, and then change the battery and turn on again, and just follow the procedure of updating the firmware. So then I went out again to fly my drone for like third time, I guess. So even though joystick left and right doesn't work, it somehow works. Okay, I could actually fly perfectly fine. However, I still need to get this amended ASAP. So on the third trial, it still does not work. I have no idea what's going on because RC works. Drone seem to work fine, but why is it just not moving? And I spent a few days playing around with my RC to see if I had missed anything, and yes, I definitely did. I'm such an idiot. I had accidentally disabled the sideways flight. Oh, I'm such an idiot. So finally it worked. Yeah! fantastic. This year, you know, the weather is getting warmer, so I'm definitely gonna spend more time with my drone. So expect more footage, more beautiful footage from my Young 360 channel. So I'll definitely come back with other interesting devices because they are coming on my way. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you.